Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about say unknown callers and name before even the phone rings. So for example, if you are get want to get rid of the spam calls, or if you want to avoid the spam callers, because many spam callers are available and you get many spam calls, and if you want to avoid that all spam calls, or if you want to block all the spam calls, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So what you have to do, you have to first of all make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after that you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply first of all go to the settings of your phone app, and you have to check whether you have block unknown callers, and you have changed the settings for that. And here you can simply change the settings for your phone setting. So here you can simply make sure that you have turned all the notification for your phone app, and you have set all the settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have turned on this feature, which means you have uh, been available to share your name and photo. And after that, you can also turn on respond with text, which means if you do not respond to any call, then you can simply disconnect it and respond it with a text. Moreover, the option is available to tap recent to calls. So if you tap on here, and you will find the recent call you get from any caller or spam calls. And here is also main option is available, silence unknown callers, which means if you get call from unknown numbers, it will be silent and sent to voicemail and displayed on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. And the next thing you can do is you can simply set the call filtering option. This call and voice call from unknown number will be moved to the unknown callers list. So in this way, you can simply do all the settings. Moreover, if you find any number is spam call, and you want to block it, then there is also option available. You can simply add into that block list. Moreover, you can also change the settings of your messages so that you do not get the messages from the spam callers. So here you can simply go to the option, and you have to simply turn on the iMessage, and also you have to set on the screen unknown sender, hide notification, and move messages to the unknown sender list. So you have to make sure that, and also you have to turn on filter spam. So here you can simply turn on the notification for that also. And also you can simply show contact photos option available. So here you can simply change the settings available. So hope you have liked this. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.